Good day, everyone. Welcome to our small backyard garden. So today I am going to give you a quick tour here in our small backyard garden and see what's going on. The Westerland rose is blooming beautifully. This is only 1 year old. And same with the Tupas Jewel. These are the second flush of blooms already. And here on the other side, I have this other rose that I forget the name of it. But look how gorgeous it is. They are all 1 year old. So right now there is a lot of flowers that are ready to bloom. The Shasta daisy is getting ready. And we have another rose over here. And look at this beautiful lamb's ear. And below we have the Jin's monk rose. So gorgeous. On that arbor, I have another I have another Westerland rose in here. So the plan is to let it grow all the way to the top of the arbor. And this is a 1 year old rose as well. The raspberries are soon ready to be harvested. There is so many fruits in there. I really like this water fountain in here. During the day we have so many finch that comes here and drink water. And the robins, and same with sparrows. And here are the containers that I have made. So I just planted creeping jenny in there, and then calla lily, and some wildflowers are growing there too. That is the Jin's monk rose, and I will show you my strawberries. Look down below here. There's so many strawberries down here. Look. We have harvested some of them already. It's just so much fruits on these berries. Look how many berries right there. And the blueberries are not doing very well. I have to figure it out what's going on these berries. Last year it didn't do good as well, so I am not really sure what's going on there. But on the other side, or the opposite side, I have the same blueberries, and there's only few fruits on it. And on the bottom I have many strawberries as well, and some of them are ready to be picked. Look, so many in there. I want to show you the new down rose that I planted last year as well. So this is a 1-year-old west new down rose. So look at all the buds. And it goes all the way to the top of this arbor. So yes, this is only 1-year-old new down rose. And all the Annabelle hydrangeas are getting ready to bloom. Looking so gorgeous. The clematis are done blooming. And the peonies I already cut. I cleaned some of the flowers that are done. Here is the container that I did myself. So there's creeping Jenny on it, petunia, and calla. It looks beautiful, I think. This is the place where I sit down most of the time, having my tea during the day or after work, and in the evening as well. It's a good space for me to be alone and just enjoy the garden. And here I have another container of strawberries. Container of Creeping Jenny with alyssum in the middle. And here is the view of our very small backyard garden. Take a look at the more strawberries that I have here. Look, so many to harvest. We made this cage because most of the time before we used to have our berries discovered and it's always gone. So we said to ourselves, well, we have to save some for ourselves too. So then we built this cage and it works so well. Let's take a look back in here, and I just want to show you again the pathway that I dedicated for the roses. The roses really surprised me a lot this time. And here's another rose that I'm going to add in the garden. I just bought it the other day. Look how beautiful it is. This is a David Austin rose. The name is Litchfield Angel. And look how beautiful it is. I am so excited to add this in the garden. So anyways, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you on the next one. Have a good day. Bye.